Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we've got a different sort of tarot deck for you. This is the Abtrino Bloom Black and Gold deck that we are going to be unboxing and looking at today. It retails for $33.99, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can purchase it should you want to legitimately. Abtrino reached out to me and wanted to know if I would like to review this deck on my channel, so I said absolutely. So what makes this different is this is holographic and it is made out of PVC material. So it is completely waterproof and it's plastic, durable, long lasting. So let's get into it. I am excited to see how it feels, how it looks, all of the above. So it comes in this velvet bag. I like the pouch already. I feel like that's great. And then inside we have, oh, it's a box. Okay. Little gift box. Come on out. There we go. Ooh. Okay, gold foil tarot. And it looks like, yeah, it's magnetic. Oh. Okay, it says, let's share the world of tarot happily. I love it. All right. And then there's a guidebook down below. I will say this is a little broken there, but I have a feeling it has to do with the shipping, not them personally. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit more. So here's the guidebook, like I said, based on Rider Waite Smith. And we'll go in more in depth after we flip through. But it has a lot of info in here, actually. So that's nice to see. Goes into a little backstory about tarot. And then each of the card meanings. That's awesome. And it's more than just a little word, so that's great. I just wanted to see if there were, oh, yep, there's a spread down here, the Celtic cross. And then it goes into how to do it. Awesome. Okay. So I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right. So first of all, this is kind of intense. All right. So this is interesting. I never have owned a PVC or plastic card deck at all. My first thought is, wow, this would be awesome if you're going anywhere like camping, to the beach, anywhere where water could, you know, smush up the cards, make the cards icky. This might be a great alternative, but it is, wow, it is flashy. All right, so what do you say we get into it? Ooh, wow. Okay, that's fun. That back. I'm hoping that the camera will pick that all up. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, let's talk about this PVC. It's very snappy. I'm very intrigued. It's on the thinner side, but it does snap back. Wow. Okay. So this is very, very interesting for me. Okay. So already there's a lot to take in, right? Okay. What is this? Ooh. What we see in the symbology of tarot derives in large measure from our own intuition and, once revealed, reflects back upon each of us to further enrich our lives. All right, here we go. Oh my. So it's fun. If you guys do any sort of festival circuits, any kind of tarot parties, this would be a fun one to bring because, again, this isn't just normal cardstock, so I have a feeling it's going to be way durable when you go and take them to these places. And the imagery is on point. I mean, it just makes it so much more fun and enriching, and your clients will probably be like shook to see all of the holographic pretty pictures in the back. Like, it just pops a lot more than the original, right? Wow. I'm so excited to see how it shuffles. Oh, look at that. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so personally, I didn't think I was going to enjoy this as much when they described it as holographic, but look at that. It just takes it to another level, right? This will probably not be for everyone. It can be kind of a lot. I'm wondering how it will look all on a spread, but how fun. Wow. My brain works like, ooh, shiny thing. I'm going to focus on the shiny thing. So this works for me. They call it squirrel brain, like, ooh, distraction. Wow. Yeah, like I didn't think I was going to enjoy it this much. I thought it would be kind of like give me a headache type situation. Like, those I Spies back in the day. But this just brings it to a different level. I'm hoping the camera can pick up all of this. Whoa. There is a slight smell because it is, PVC, it's plastic. But they said that you can, rinse it with dish soap and water and like leave it out in the air to air dry. But honestly, I'm not really getting a big, strong smell. Maybe like if I stuck it up close to my nose. But some people are more sensitive than others to smells. So I'm just throwing it out there. Yeah, I don't like, I'm going to smell my hands. I know that's weird. But yeah, no, it's not even on my hands. So I'm going to call that a win. I think personally, this will be my, like if I do festivals or booths or I do tarot parties in my area, this would be what I take because it's fun. People will want to look at the cards. People will want to see what you're doing. It adds a little bit more magic and mystery to your readings. How fun. And like I said, like they're plastic, so you can take them anywhere. I think I just found my new travel deck. And then you can throw it in the velvet pouch. You don't even have to put it in that little gift box. I'm kind of going a little fast with these just because this is your Rider Waite Smith imagery. So I don't want to focus too long on each card. Just want to show you the effects. Wow, look at that. I like how they're all different. The backgrounds move differently. It's not the same pattern. Just super dynamic. Oh, it's like more scallopy. Wow. You show up to a party with these, everybody's going to want to be around your table. I think the only downside for me is filming with these because I do, pick a card readings and film a lot of that. So I think it would be hard to capture this in pictures and film for too long because there might be an awkward angle. But honestly, not terrible. It's not bad. Oh, look at the squiggly. And so I feel like the patterns too can help you with your intuition with the cards. Look at that. That's linear. Wow. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I love it. But yeah, I can definitely see how this can be a lot for people. I don't know if this could be my everyday deck, just because for me, this is a lot for every day for my eyes. But the quality seems really nice. I love the durability factor here. I love that it's unique. It's different. It's a new spin on a favorite classic, right? I just feel like this is the party deck. 100%. Those pentacles, they remind me of gold records. Oh, whoa, that's fun. Oh, wow. Ooh. Okay, so this is the first one where I'm like, that's a bit intense. Ooh, that one too. But they're so neat. I'm very intrigued with this. Oh. Oh, wow. That's cool. Definitely have the movement there. In person, they're a lot clearer. So I just hope that you can pick it up on the film. Hence why I've been moving them around so much. All right, so let's check out how they shuffle. I'm really intrigued here. I know I've been saying that a lot, but this is so neat. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. So when you shuffle, I can pick up on the smell a little bit more. But it's not terrible. Ooh. All right, let's get a card here. Yeah, it shuffles just like cardstock, like regular cardstock. This is so weird. Okay. So we're going to read for the 9 of Wands here. Okay, let's see. 9 of Wands. And I like that it's color printed in here too. The figure leans upon his staff and has an expectant look, as if awaiting an enemy. Behind him are 8 other staves erect in orderly disposition, like a palisade. Divinatory meanings. The card signifies strength in opposition. If attacked, he will meet the onslaught boldly. With this main significance, there are all its possible adjuncts, including delay, suspension, adjournment, reversed, obstacles, adversary, and calamity. I just want to take a look at the major. So it's a little less in the majors, but it's not terrible. You know, for the price, I'm not mad at the guidebook the way that it is. Would I like it a little bit more? Obviously, I will always want more. It's just my nature. But for me, the price really shows in the quality of the cards here. I think that's what you're getting the most bang for your buck here, because like I said, it's durable. Like, you can't even fold them. So that's really cool. They don't overbend, they snap back, and they're beautiful to look at. They're different, and like I said, roll up to a party with these, you're going to be the center of attention. But yeah, I think if you are somebody who does like festival circuits, if you are somebody who goes to homes for tarot parties and reads for people that way, I think this would be a great deck for you because of its not only durability, but it's fun to look at. It's very engaging. So when your clients see this, they're like, ooh, mesmerized almost. I'm mesmerized. I think they're beautifully done. Are they for everyone? Probably not. But I feel like if you're looking for something different and something a little bit more special, they're beautiful. They're very pretty. And the smell is not that bad, I would tell you. But if you have a sensitive nose, I definitely would say wash them with the dish soap. But I feel like too, once you use them, that smell's going to go away as well. It's not terrible. It's not like overpowering. But yeah, just throwing that out there because I know some people are super sensitive to smell. All right, so that being said, I'm kind of impressed with this. I didn't think I would be so taken aback by it. I thought that this wouldn't be something that would be for me, but I'm excited about it, especially for like summer parties, pool parties, camping. I take a deck with me everywhere. It's usually the original Rider Waite Smith anyway. So to me, this is now going to be my new traveling deck. So please let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. I really love seeing what you guys have to say about it because everybody's different. Thank you so much again to Abtrino for sending this deck our way. It's quite interesting, so different, and I am super excited to see all of the different uses I can come up with for it. That being said, thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And while you're in the description box checking out the links for this deck, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social medias as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.